Oura has just launched the new Ring 5, and while it may look similar at first glance, there are actually some major upgrades under the hood. The new Ring 5 is now 40% smaller, lighter, more accurate, offers longer battery life, improved health tracking, new AI-powered health tools, blood pressure insights, and even live workout tracking. But are those upgrades enough to replace the Oura Ring 4? In this video, we're comparing the Oura Ring 5 and Ring 4 side by side in design, sensors, battery life, health features, software upgrades, and overall value to help you decide whether upgrading is actually worth it. Welcome to Smartwatch Radar. Subscribe for more latest updates. Design and comfort. The biggest upgrade is easily the design. Oura says the Ring 5 is around 40% smaller than the Ring 4, thanks to a completely redesigned internal architecture. The Ring is thinner, lighter, and feels much closer to a traditional piece of jewelry. With Ring 5, Oura focused heavily on comfort for 24/7 wear. It now weighs as little as around 2 grams depending on size, making it one of the lightest smart rings available. Oura also improved durability with a new scratch-resistant coating and stronger titanium construction. The Ring 5 is now rated IP68 and water-resistant up to 100 meters. The Ring 4 was already comfortable and premium, but some users felt it was slightly bulkier compared to a normal ring, and it doesn't offer the same miniaturized design as Ring 5. So, in terms of comfort and design, Ring 5 is a clear winner. Sensors and accuracy. This is probably the most important upgrade. The Ring 4 introduced smart sensing technology with multiple signal pathways for health tracking. With Ring 5, Oura completely redesigned the sensing system. You now get more powerful LEDs, redesigned sensor placement, improved skin contact, and upgraded signal processing for more consistent readings across different finger sizes and skin tones. Oura claims the Ring 5 delivers better heart rate accuracy, improved HRV tracking, stronger overnight readings, and more reliable workout data. If accurate health tracking is your main priority, Ring 5 brings one of the biggest hardware upgrades since Oura Ring 3. Battery life. The new Ring 5 delivers around 6 to 9 days on a single charge and also introduces a new portable charging solution for easier travel use. The Ring 4 typically delivers around 5 to 8 days of battery life depending on usage. Health and wellness features. Both rings offer excellent sleep tracking, readiness scores, recovery monitoring, stress tracking, heart rate tracking, temperature monitoring, and activity tracking. But Ring 5 introduces several new health-focused features. The biggest addition is the new Health Radar platform, which continuously analyzes biometric data and can identify potential health changes earlier. Ring 5 also introduces blood pressure signals, nighttime breathing trends, improved symptom detection, and deeper health insights. Fitness and activity tracking. Fitness tracking is another area where Ring 5 improves. The Ring 4 could track workouts, but live workout tracking was fairly limited. With Ring 5, Oura now offers real-time workout tracking, live pace and distance metrics inside the app, better automatic activity detection, and improved recognition of activities such as walking, strength training, and even lower movement workouts. Software and AI features. Software is where the Ring 5 really starts separating itself. The new model introduces AI-powered health guidance, health radar insights, health record integration, lab result uploads, GLP-1 medication tracking, enhanced women's health tracking, and access to professional health guidance through Oura's expanded ecosystem. Price comparison. The new Oura Ring 5 starts at $399 for black and silver models, while premium finishes cost around $499. The Oura Ring 4 starts around $349 depending on the finish, so you're paying roughly $50 more for the newest generation and its hardware upgrades. Final verdict. If you already own an Oura Ring 4 and mainly use it for sleep tracking, readiness scores, and basic health monitoring, then you can comfortably keep using it because many software improvements will still benefit Ring 4 users. But if you want the smallest Oura Ring ever made, improved accuracy, better comfort, longer battery life, live workout tracking, blood pressure signals, health radar, and the most advanced Oura experience available, then the Choose Ring 5. So that's the new Oura Ring 5 versus the Oura Ring 4. Let me know in the comments if you think the upgrades are worth it, and subscribe to Smartwatch Radar for more updates.